Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to customize your Facebook to have a special link that you can chat with or people can communicate with you. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So first of all, open my Messenger app. There are two ways you can do it, but this is the fastest way. So you just open your Messenger app, you click on your profile, then you go to username. Now if you see under my username, I'm having m.me./DevNZ. So if you copy this link now, you can copy it and share with your friends. Let me share it with my friend here. Let me share it with my friends. I'm looking for someone to share it with. So automatically, when I share it with my friends, you can see my profile showing down here. So that shows this link. You can contact me with this link. So this is I'll show you how to create your own now. So all you have to do is click on your profile. You go to your username. I think yours should be having random letters or empty. You just click on edit username. Then you type the name, the unique name there. You type the unique name there. Then you type the name. As soon as you finish typing the name, you click on OK. If the name is taken already, you will not get it, will not come, it will not save for you. Currently you see the save button up here, but mine is the same name I'm using. Let me change it to this. See, to search and the name is not taken, so I can save it. So that's it. As soon as you save it, you can copy the link whenever they ask you to. Okay, instead of sending somebody to send you friend request and you don't want them, you want to chat with them, you just come here, copy the link, forward the link to the person, and the person can chat you up. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Please share this video with your friends, click on the notification bell.